Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, we are proceeding with the second chapter, components of food. And in the last class, online class, I have explained you about the deficiency diseases. And under the deficiency diseases, I have explained you about the deficiency of carbohydrates, deficiency of fats, vitamins. Okay, and under vitamins, I have explained you about the deficiency of vitamin C and scurvy, which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Because of scurvy disease, these gums will be swollen up, and even tongue also, inner mouth parts all swollen up, and person will feel so much pain, and it can bleed also. So today we will study about the different kind of vitamins, other vitamins. Vitamin A, I also explained you. Due to the lack of vitamin A, any person can get the night blindness, means suffer with the night blindness, and its sources are mainly green leaves, vegetables, butters and fruits. Okay, so in the same way, vitamin B1, B2, B12 and vitamin D and vitamin K. See, I have already explained you in detail. So vitamin B are of different types. That's why we can call it as a vitamin B complex. Okay, so vitamin B, B1 help us in digestion. Okay, and it is also very important vitamin for us, and it also help us for healthy nervous system. And what are its sources? Its sources are sprouts and whole grain. Whole grain means जो पूरे grains को जो जब हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी grain का, तो उसको हम बोल देते हैं whole grain. जैसे आप खड़ी दालें आप लोगों के घर में यूज़ होती होंगी, चने हम खाते हैं. These all are the whole grains. Okay, so all the sprouts are also provide us vitamin B. But if its deficiency happens to anybody, then what will happen? It can cause beriberi disease. So symptoms of this disease is deficiency in the body are digestive problems, because it helps in digestion, it helps in nervous system, it maintains, keeps our brain healthy. So if it is not present in sufficient amount, then we may suffer with the digestive problems, inflammation of nerves and heart abnormalities. Means it affects our हार्ट ऑल्सो, हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकती है. और आफ्टर दिस विटामिन B2. सो दिस विटामिन कीप्स स्किन एंड माउथ हेल्दी. ओके, सो milk and green leafy vegetables are its sources. Means vitamin B2 we get from green leafy vegetables and other such kind of sources. And its deficiency causes skin diseases, because it maintains our skin and mouth healthy. So that's why its deficiency can cause skin diseases. So symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency in the body are irritation of eyes, skin, inflammation of tongue and intestinal disorders. So children, these kind of problems can happen if we have less or negligible amount of vitamin B2 in our body. Next is vitamin B12. So this vitamin help us in the formation of blood cells. So its main source is milk and milk products. Means vitamin B12 we get from milk products. So milk is also important and their products. Its deficiency in the body may lead to blood disorder because it helps in blood in the formation of blood cells. So if it is its deficiency happens in the body, then it can cause anemia. Anemia means this is a harmful disease and ये खून की बहुत ज़्यादा कमी हो जाने को ये बोलते हैं अनीमिया हो जाना. Okay, and if any person suffer with anemia, then it is very serious disease, and if it will not treat on time, person may die. So its symptoms are pale skin, means skin का कलर जो होता है वो पीला होने लगता है. Then frequent headaches and lack of appetite and stamina, means बहुत ज़्यादा headache होती है और appetite means भूख नहीं लगना, बहुत ज़्यादा भूख नहीं लगती है और भूख लगना बंद हो जाती है. And lack of stamina also means we can't do any work, we feel fatigue all the time, we feel tired all the time. So next, vitamin C, children, I have explained you that if vitamin C deficiency can happen, then it can cause scurvy disease. This is also harmful, and its sources are citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means like oranges, lemons, मौसमी जो आप sweet lime खाते हो, then sprouts, tomatoes, and other than these also जितने भी खट्टे फ्रूट होते हैं वो सब विटामिन सी के सोर्सेस होते हैं. And this vitamin C is good for build up immunity. Okay, not only vitamin C is important to prevent this disease, but it is also helpful to build up, to increase our immunity, so that our body can be strong enough to fight with the other germs. And next is vitamin D. So children, vitamin D is important for the growth of bones in children. Means vitamin D is very important in the case of childhood. So the sources are sunlight and milk. Means milk if you take, and if you not go in sunlight, then also this vitamin can't be synthesized. This is the only vitamin which requires sunlight to form in the body. So we should play in sunlight also for some time, not in the afternoon, but at least in the morning, time. So its deficiency in the body could lead to rickets. So it is the disease which is caused because of deficiency of vitamin D, and the symptoms are weaker bones and joints, bone deformities such as bowed legs and pigeon chest, protruding abdomen and softening of ribs. So children, if rickets disease happen to any child, because this disease generally found in children, so if any child has this disease, means deficiency of vitamin D, then what will happen? The child has weaker bones and joints and bone deformities, means bone grow ही नहीं होती हैं उनकी body में, एंड सच एज बोर्ड लेग्स, उनकी जो लेग्स होती हैं वो या तो अंदर को मुड़ी हुई होती है या बाहर को मुड़ी हुई हो जाती हैं, झुकी हुई हो जाती हैं। देन पिजन चेस्ट, और उनकी जो चेस्ट होती है वो जैसे पिजन की बाहर को निकली होती है वैसे ही वो उनकी चेस्ट जो होती है वो बाहर की तरफ बल्ज होने लगती है। देन प्रोट्रूडिंग एब्डोमन, और एब्डोमन भी, एब्डोमन क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन, जो आपकी नाभि के नीचे का पेट का जो पोर्शन होता है उसको बोलते हैं एब्डोमन। तो एब्डोमिनल जो पार्ट होता है वो भी प्रोट्रूड होने लगता है, बाहर की तरफ झुकने लगता है। एंड सॉफ्टनिंग ऑफ रिब्स, जो हमारी बॉडी में जो रिब्स होती हैं, जो आपके चेस्ट का पार्ट होता है, वहाँ पे आप जब टच करके देखोगे तो आपको बहुत सारी बोन्स जो हैं वो फील होती हैं, जो हमारे लंग्स को, हमारे हार्ट को कवर करती हैं, प्रोटेक्शन देती हैं। दोज ऑल द ribs becomes soft during the deficiency of vitamin D. So we should take milk regularly and we should play in sunlight also. So vitamin K, children, this is the last vitamin, and vitamin K is important for clotting of blood to stop bleeding. जब हमें कभी भी चोट लग जाती है तो हमारी ब्लीडिंग को स्टॉप करवाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। वहाँ से जब हमारा ब्लड जो है वो जब बहने लगता है तो उसको स्टॉप करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, जिसके लिए विटामिन के हेल्प करता है। ओके, सो क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड रिक्वायर विटामिन के। एंड व्हाट आर द सोर्सेस? ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, स्पिनच जिसको आप पालक बोलते हैं, कैबेज, बंद गोभी, एंड आर इट्स सोर्सेस। सो चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन सी ऑलमोस्ट all the vitamins we get from leafy vegetables, green vegetables. So we should have green vegetables in our daily diet. The deficiency of vitamin K lead to hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means continuously blood का flow होना, उसको बोलते हैं hemorrhage. ओके, जैसे आपने सुना होगा कि ब्रेन हैमरेज हो गया है किसी को, उनके अगर किसी को चोट लगती है तो ब्रेन में अगर ब्लीडिंग हो जाती है अंदर ही अंदर तो उसको बोलते हैं ब्रेन हैमरेज हो गया। या अगर किसी को की बॉडी में विटामिन के की डेफिशिएंसी है तो उसको अगर कहीं पे चोट लग जाती है तो कंटिन्यूसली उस पार्ट से ब्लड जो है वो बहने लगता है कंटिन्यूसली, तो दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड हेमरेज. ओके, एंड कैन लीड टू एक्सेसिव ब्लीडिंग, और इससे क्या होता है, बहुत ज्यादा ब्लीडिंग होने लगती है. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज अबाउट द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ vitamins. So next is a deficiency of minerals. So children, like vitamins, minerals are also very important for our body, and they are required for our body in very less amount, but their amount, very less amount, is also very important. Because of the deficiency of minerals also, we may suffer from several diseases and several problems. So deficiency of minerals can lead to the variety of health problems such as brittle bones. Brittle bones means bones इतनी weak हो जाना कि बहुत जल्दी से टूट जाती हैं. Then pale body, पीले रंग की हमारी बॉडी होने लगती है. कलर, जनरल वीकनेस, हमें बहुत वीकनेस होने लगती है. एंड डिहाइड्रेशन, पानी की कमी हो जाना. Then following are the important minerals and their sources, functions, deficiency, diseases and symptoms. So children, these are the some kind of minerals, and same as vitamins we studied, in the same way here they have given their sources and what are the deficiency diseases and what are their symptoms. So first mineral is calcium. Calcium is very important mineral of our body, and without this calcium our bones and teeth can't be strong. Okay, so calcium strengthen bones and teeth and help in blood clotting also. Okay, so its sources are milk and green leafy vegetables. Again you can see green leafy vegetables. Its deficiency causes osteoporosis in adults and rickets in children. मीन्स अगर कैल्शियम की कमी हो जाती है और साथ में अगर विटामिन डी है आपकी बॉडी में, तो भी अगर कैल्शियम नहीं आप लेते हो, कैल्शियम के सोर्सेज नहीं लेते हैं, मिल्क नहीं पीते हो या आप ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल नहीं लेते हो, तब भी आपकी बोन्स जो हैं वो वीक हो जाती हैं. और अगर किसी एडल्ट में ये प्रॉब्लम आती है, बड़े लोगों में आती है, तो उनको ओस्टियोपोरोसिस हो जाता है. मतलब उनकी जो बोन्स हैं वो बहुत ही वीक हो जाती हैं, बहुत जल्दी टूटने लगती हैं, उनके जो बोन्स के सेल्स हैं वो बनना बंद हो जाते हैं. और अगर बच्चों में होती है तो वो ही रिकेट्स की प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. ओके, एंड देयर ग्रोथ विल बी स्टॉप्ड. सो द सिम्टम्स ऑफ कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी आर ब्रिटल बोन्स, स्टन्ड ग्रोथ, ग्रोथ रुक जाना, वीकर टीथ and excessive bleeding. Okay, so all these are the deficiencies symptoms of calcium. So second is phosphorus. Phosphorus strengthens bones and teeth. Means along with the calcium, phosphorus is also important for our stronger bones and teeth. So milk, सीरियल्स आपको पता है, आप लोग जूनियर क्लासेस में भी पढ़ के आए हैं. सीरियल्स में राइस, व्हीट, मेज, ये सारे जो मेन स्टेपल फूड हम यूज़ करते हैं, जिसके दाल रोटी और चावल जो आप मेनली सब्जी या दालों के साथ आप यूज़ करते हो, उनको बोलते हैं सीरियल्स. एंड पल्सेस आर द दालें जो आप खाते हो. सो दीज आर द मेन सोर्सेस. ओके, तो phosphorus I think everybody can get because daily we can use cereals and pulses. दाल रोटी और दाल चावल तो सबके घर में ही बनते हैं. ओके, so along with milk also important. So its deficiency causes rickets in children. Same symptoms and same diseases there. So the symptoms of phosphorus deficiency are weakening of bones, poor mental and bone development, mental retardation, loss of weight and retarded growth. Means in addition to weaker bones, here mental ability also affected because of phosphorus. Means because of deficiency of phosphorus. So that's why it is also important. And after this, next is iron. So children, iron is important for the formation of red blood cells. You know, our blood is red color because of the red blood cells present in it. So and hemoglobin is also present in our blood, which provide our red blood cells to red color. Mainly hemoglobin is responsible for the red color of our blood. Its sources are cereal, pulses and green leafy vegetables. So its deficiency leads to anemia. Anemia मैंने आपको पहले बताया है, खून की कमी को अनीमिया बोलते हैं. एंड अगर आयरन की कमी हो जाती है तो आपके ब्लड सेल्स कम बनेंगे और हीमोग्लोबिन नहीं होगा, तो हमारा जो ब्लड है वो कम, उसकी कमी हो जाएगी और हमारी बॉडी पेल कलर की दिखने लगेगी. एंड जो हमारे नेल्स हैं वो वाइट हो जाएंगे. एंड We also may suffer from loss of weight, and our body get fatigue. Fatigue means thakan hona, thaki hui hona, and swelling in hands and feet are the symptoms of iron deficiency. Okay, so iron is also very important mineral for our body. And next is iodine. So children, iodine, daily we are watching that some advertisements of salts, and salts are always iodized salts, and we should use iodized salt because iodine is present in those iodized salts. So iodine is required for proper working of thyroid gland and healthy development of brain in unborn babies. So children, when any mother is pregnant, at that time also that mother has to take iodized salt, because during the development of brain of unborn baby, that iodine mineral is required in its body, and this iodine is mainly important for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. Here you can see this child is suffering from it is not a child, it is an adult. Yes, here written also an adult suffering from goiter, because if we not take iodized salt for a long period of time, then any person can get this problem. We have commonly thyroid gland in the neck portion of our body, and for the proper functioning of that thyroid gland, this iodine is necessary. But if its deficiency happens in our body, then this thyroid gland will be swollen up like this, and this disease is called as goiter. Okay, so salt is its main source. Its deficiency leads to goiter. Enlargement of thyroid gland, retarded growth, and mental retardation are the symptoms of iodine deficiency. Means if thyroid gland is not working properly, then it will affect on the growth of a person, growth of a child, and also the mental health of a person can be affected. So that's why iodine is also an important mineral for us. And fifth one is sodium and potassium. So children, this sodium and potassium both are the minerals. They are also important for our body because they both help to maintain water balance in the body. So they are present in salt and most food items. Their deficiency causes body and muscle weakness and paralysis. Means if its deficiency can cause in our body, then the person can suffer with the muscle weakness and paralysis also. So dehydration and weakness are the symptoms of sodium and potassium deficiency in the body. So mainly means quick we can say action which is happening because of the deficiency of sodium and potassium is dehydration, water की कमी हो जाना. So that's why it is important. And last and sixth one is a magnesium. Magnesium is also required in a very less amount by our body, but its function is very important. Children, magnesium is a mineral which regulates the functioning of nerves and muscles. Means for the proper functioning of nerves and muscles we require magnesium. So its sources are green leafy vegetables and cereals. Magnesium deficiency causes weak muscles and nerves, loss of appetite, भूख ना लगना, then sleeplessness, नींद अच्छे से ना आना, and upset stomach are the symptoms of magnesium deficiency. So some digestion problem also you can suffer if there is a deficiency of magnesium. So these are the deficiency symptoms related to all the different minerals. Okay, so with this we can complete our chapter, and after this children you can complete your notes by writing the question answers which we give you in the form of PDF. Okay, so Jai Gurudev to all of you.